And Jannat, Allah has opened it up for all. Allah has given different strength to each one of us. Some can spend your way to Jannah. Some can feed your way to Jannah. Some can smile your way to Jannah. If you cannot do anything, don't hurt people. I leave you with this message. I've said it often because I deal with a lot of people in this regard. Don't ask personal questions. You're hurting them where it pains the most. My message is help people, empower people, use kind words. Don't ask personal questions. And inshallah, this will earn your way to Jannah. Some people bring happiness wherever they go. Others bring happiness whenever they go. May Allah makes us from the former and not the latter. Ameen.